Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about Florida registered agents and how to find an affordable one. The good news? It's really cheap if you use the right service. We'll get into that, but first, let's talk about why you need a registered agent in Florida. Yes, it's mandatory to appoint a registered agent for your Florida corporation or LLC. This keeps you in compliance with Florida state regulations. If you skip this step, you could face hefty fines and penalties from state authorities. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Typically, a registered agent service in Florida will run you between $100 to $300 per year. Sure, you can be your own registered agent and save that money, but it's usually not worth it. So, what does a registered agent actually do? They serve as the point of contact between your business and the state government. They receive important documents like lawsuits, subpoenas, and other legal notices. They also keep required records, ensuring you stay compliant with state and federal regulations. In Florida, a registered agent needs a physical address. No P.O. boxes are allowed. They must be available during regular business hours, which is why a P.O. box won't cut it. Someone needs to be there to receive important documents. Who can be a registered agent? You have three options: be your own, ask a family member or friend, or use a registered agent service. Keep in mind that the registered agent's information is public record in Florida. If you use your own address, it will be accessible to the public. This might not be ideal for privacy reasons. If you decide to be your own registered agent, remember you need to be available during business hours. Missing important documents can lead to serious issues like your business getting shut down or default judgments. These risks make using a professional service like legalregistration.com a smart choice. A professional service acts on your behalf, receiving and processing legal documents, sending out notices, and protecting your privacy. Many services also offer online storage. And if you get sued, it's better the documents go to their office, not yours. It avoids any embarrassing situations at your business location. For an easy, affordable, and reliable service, visit legalregistration.com. They make the process simple and quick. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.